Let's kick off with a starter task to get our minds warmed up. We're diving into the basics of coding with two fundamental questions. First, what does the command, "Hello World" print? And second, what does HTML stand for? These questions are the building blocks of our journey into website ideas. Now, let's reveal the answers to our starter task. The command, "Hello World" prints exactly that onto a website, a classic first step in coding. HTML stands for Hypertext Markup Language, the backbone of web pages. Understanding these basics is crucial as we explore website ideas. Next, let's get organized. Your task is to jot down the date and title of our session. Today, we're focusing on website ideas, a topic that will guide us through the essentials of web design and coding. Our learning intention is clear: to know how to design and code a website. Success criteria include understanding CSS, generating design ideas, and excelling in the mini-assessment. These skills will empower you to create engaging and functional websites. Let's engage in a think, pair, share activity. Discuss with your peers what you believe CSS stands for. This collaborative task will deepen your understanding and prepare you for the practical aspects of web design. Time to uncover the answer. CSS stands for Cascading Style Sheets, a vital tool for styling web pages. It allows you to control the look and feel of your website, making it visually appealing and user-friendly. Our goal is twofold: to understand what CSS means and how to design a website, and to grasp what HTML means and how to create a factual website. These objectives will guide our learning journey and ensure we cover essential web design concepts. In this lesson, we're focusing on website ideas. This will set the stage for our next lesson on coding CSS, where we'll delve deeper into styling and design techniques. Let's explore a basic idea. CSS is all about styling. It adds color and style to your website, affecting fonts, colors, and overall design. This styling is reflected from your index HTML file to Google, enhancing your site's appearance. At the start of coding CSS, you need to add style elements after the doc-type HTML declaration. This is crucial for sectioning off your code for styling, allowing you to apply CSS effectively across your web pages. This means that the style tags section off your code for styling, enabling you to code your CSS in sections. This organization is key to maintaining a clean and efficient coding process. HTML and CSS work together to control the design and layout of web pages. HTML builds the structure, while CSS enhances the appearance, making it attractive and easier to read. A single CSS file can style multiple pages, streamlining your design process. Your task is to research 3 questions. What does CSS mean? What does CSS do to a web page? And why is CSS useful? Spend 5 minutes exploring these questions to deepen your understanding of CSS's role in web design. Let's review the answers to our research task. CSS stands for Cascading Style Sheets, changing the look of a web page by altering colors, fonts, and layout. It's useful because it allows one file to style many pages, keeping design separate from content. Follow these instructions for your design project. Access the shared student folder. Open the design file, save it with your name and design idea, and wait for further instructions. This project will apply your learning to a practical task. Use the worksheet to outline your design elements. Consider color schemes, fonts, image types, and the context of CSS styling you want to explain. This will help you organize your ideas and prepare for your design project. Your task is to create simple design ideas using the worksheet. Focus on what your design is about, your target audience, and your color scheme. This exercise will help you conceptualize and plan your website effectively. Prepare for the mini-assessment by completing questions on OneNote. Reflect on what CSS stands for, its purpose, and its coding applications. This assessment will test your understanding and readiness to apply CSS in web design. Let's review the answers to the mini-assessment. CSS stands for Cascading Style Sheets, enhancing HTML's structure by making it visually appealing. CSS can be used in various coding contexts, excluding JavaScript, Python, and JSON files. Our learning intention remains focused on knowing how to design and code a website. Success criteria include understanding CSS, generating design ideas, and excelling in the mini-assessment. These skills will empower you to create engaging and functional websites.